How to create a Picsart account. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. First, start with downloading the Picsart. Download the Picsart app from the App Store in iOS or Google Play Store in Android if you have not already. Open the Picsart app on your device. Now, on the welcome screen of the Picsart, you will get to see sign up buttons available. You can sign up using one of the options available there. You can use your email address or social media accounts like Google, Facebook, or Apple ID to sign in to your Picsart. But here I'm using the email address format. Now simply tap on the email address. Now, after you tap on it, type in your email address and tap on the next option available there. Now you'll have to create a password for your Picsart account. After you create one, tap on the next again. Now choose a username, and after you choose one, Picsart will navigate you to the payment options. All you have to do is choose one subscription according to your preferences and continue with the payment and confirm it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.